All right, Lexus es350. No, not new one, but what is this? The 2016 es350. We're doing the wiper blades on it. Pretty simple stuff. It's usually a little click forward thing. Sometimes on these they'll have a little prong on the bottom you squeeze down, and this will slide this way, just down and out. And then you want to be very careful with no wiper on there. If this slams down, it'll crack your glass, so you want to be very careful with that. New blade, I'm using 26-inch Duralast flex blades. You squeeze this on them and it pops it open, free to get on there. You just slide it in place. Oh, maybe just there it is, slide it in place, click that bottom on, and then that blade's done. And then same thing with the other side. I'm going to use a little screwdriver. It's just a little flathead screwdriver, just anything you can get underneath this guy right here. Pop it up. This guy up, down, off. A little bit. Let me get this out. This is 18-inch Duralast flex blade on the other side. Alright, hook it up. Alright. And we're going to pop this off of here again. Hooked in. Might be a two-hand grip. There it is. And be careful, the paint wants to rub right there, so you kind of push it out and away and down so it doesn't scratch the paint right there. Make sure there's no, some of them have that protective guide on them. These ones do not. You got to make sure those are off, it'll scratch the glass all up. And that's it, guys. Put the wipers in the description below. Peace.